Hi folks, Richard Fontaine. Now, thank you for checking out my Cractd product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now, you can grab Cractd from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you my 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online empire so that you can use free traffic to make money online. Now, this allows you to achieve your online income goals quickly and very easily. Now, the second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high-value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. In the third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important thing. It's not only a normal passive income, but it's a reoccurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and all you have to do then is turn on the traffic source and reap the benefits. Now, let's get on with the review. In a nutshell, this is Jason Fulton's latest product, and according to all reports, Cractd is the only system that, pardon the pun, that cracks Google's algorithm, resulting in over $900 paydays without creating a website, without using traditional SEOs, and with a zero cost. So spend 10 minutes daily working through your phone or on your laptop and reap the benefits. Over 300 beta testers tried Cractd and made $100 within the first 24 hours. The front end for Cractd is $17, with 5 upgrades ranging from $24.95 to $297, each with a downsell. So keep your eye out for them. Now watch the demo and see for yourself how Cractd works.
Hello everyone and welcome to Cractd software. Okay, so in this quick video I'm gonna just take you around the software, tell you what you can expect from it and how to get the best results out of it. Okay, so right after you log in, that's what you're gonna see. So basically you have, this is the video you're watching right now, it will say right here what kind of license you have. So for example, I am on a standard license right here. It will give you a quick overview over the software, like how many searches you create, how many campaigns, and so on. Right now, this is just a brand new account, so everything is empty. So basically what Cractd will do is it will find you a profitable keywords in any niche you want, okay, and then give you an article that's guaranteed to rank in Google first page very, very, very fast, publish it for you on our server, and rank it for you. All of that is done in just, I don't know, like what, a minute, maybe less. Okay, so first thing is go to a find and fetch profitable keywords. So right here you just enter your niche. So for example, I'm gonna say weight loss. Okay, hit search, and as you can see, that's all of the keyword that we think is very easy to rank for. As you can see, we have 89 keywords. Okay, and you can select any of those. I'm just gonna select weight loss pills, which I know is very competitive, but just for demonstrations. Move to competition analysis, which is the second page. Okay, and you can select which country you are trying to rank for. So I'm gonna type United States and my language is English. Hit validate. Okay, give it, I don't know, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, something like that, and it will tell you exactly how hard it is to rank for this exact keyword. As you can see, it's very, very difficult. Obviously we know that, but this is again for demonstration only. So let's say we're gonna rank for this keyword. Just gonna copy it, go to rankable keyword generator, and it will give us the articles that we need to use in order to rank for Google. Okay, so we know how, not as the software knows how the algorithm work and what Google wanna see, and it will give you an article based on that. So I'm just gonna paste this here, hit generate, again 5 seconds maximum, and remember my internet is again slow today, so it will be much faster for you. But even with that, so far we spent like what, 20 seconds, something like that. Anyway, article is being written right now without us doing anything. All I did is just copy and paste. I didn't even write a single word except for writing my niche in the first step. Other than that, not gonna do any of that. Okay, so I'm gonna give it 5 seconds and I'll be back once it's done. Okay, so right now we have the article. As you can see right here, we have the title and we have the article. We can generate article with the same keyword. Like for example, if you don't like this article for any reason, okay, or you can use a different keyword, but right now I'm just gonna copy it, hit save, and it will save it in the saved rankable content. Now we want to publish, so create a new publish. Okay, and that's creating a new page on our servers, okay, to rank it for you. Also, you can use any other platform if you want. You can create, if you have a website, for example, you can publish it there. You can publish it on LinkedIn, WordPress, Wix, wherever you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste this right here, maybe get the title, okay, add it in the headline, and if I can click correctly, remove that. Okay, and here we can hyperlink anything. We can also, by the way, we can also add an HTML code right here. So for example, if you want to add images, which by the way we have a feature for right here, so image finder, you can just enter a keyword and it will create for you and find for you images that you can use in your article. I forgot to do that, so excuse me. Anyway, in the keyword, so for example, let's say anytime you find the word wait, I want to replace this with I don't know, google.com. let's say that's my affiliate link. I can add another one if I want, but that's enough for now. Hit publish. I'm done. That's it. Okay, I can update it right here. I can copy, I can get the link. As you can see, it's right here. Okay, and that's it. You can edit the design, you will have more templates, and yeah, it's very easy. After that, if you want to give it an extra push, okay, like an extra push in Google and other platform to rank for, you can go to the rank, go to setup, okay, and you can connect some social media accounts and it will automatically syndicate your article, your new link to all of those websites plus some on the back end. So you enter your Twitter, newspaper, Folk, WordPress, those are the main one. I'm just gonna type in anything right here, hit update. Now it's saved. By the way, we do not keep any we do not keep track of any of those passwords. That's for your account only. Go to post, okay, and you will be able to make a new post. So you enter your title right here, enter a brief about your article right here. You can copy a paragraph out of it, you can enter your link tag, and you can schedule, hit add post, and you're done. Okay, you can then track your ranking. So go to the tracker, enter your keyword, enter your link, and see where you are ranking in Google. Okay, so for example, weight loss pill, that was the keyword we wanna rank for. Enter our link. It can be any link like your website or anything. Click track. Obviously it's gonna say not ranked because we just published it, and it's a very competitive keyword. And that's it. Okay, start to finish. I think it took me like 3-4 minutes, something like that, with explaining everything. So yeah, that's how to use Cractd. You will find more and more in-depth training in the training tab right here. And if you have any question, just click on the support, reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.
Now, remember to check out the first link below and learn how to use $10,000 a month, or how to gain $10,000 a month. And don't forget my bonuses, folks. Number 1, supercharge your online empire with free traffic. Number 2, become a middleman on Fiverr. Number 3, get monthly reoccurring income. And number 4, receive a done-for-you, high-converting website and reap the benefits of continuous traffic source.